How to transfer money from Bendigo Bank to another bank. Let's get started. Today, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step process of transferring money from your Bendigo Bank account to another bank. Whether you are sending funds to a friend, paying bills, or managing your finances, we have got you covered. First things first, log into your Bendigo Bank online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the transfer section. This is where you will initiate the transfer process. Click on the option labeled Transfer Funds or a similar option to begin the transfer process. Now you will need to select the account from which you want to transfer the funds. This could be your checking, savings, or any eligible account. Next, enter the recipient's banking details. This includes your account number, BSP number, and their name as it appears on their bank account. After entering the recipient's detail, specify the amount you wish to transfer. Double-check the amount to ensure accuracy. Before proceeding, take a moment to review all the transfer details you have entered. Ensure that everything is correct to avoid any errors. Once you are satisfied with the transfer details, confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer of funds from your Bendigo Bank account to the recipient's bank account. And there you have it. You have successfully transferred money from your Bendigo Bank account to another bank account. You may receive a confirmation message or reference number from your records. Thanks for following along. Transferring money from your Bendigo Bank account to another bank account is easy and convenient. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more banking tips. Thank you.